Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuche Oziri. Today we go talk about those people wey dey go stand for third mainland bridge. Una know wetin dem dey go do there. Those people wey go if dem go stand for third mainland bridge, police go rush go catch dem. Na the people wey we wan talk about today. So wetin I mean be say today we wan talk about people wey wan kpai themselves. People wey wan kpai themselves. Wetin law talk about them. Now this topic na one topic wey dey funny because if you succeed by yourself, law no get anything to do with you. But if you no succeed, you don commit crime. E funny abi? Na so e be. If you attempt to kpai yourself, you succeed, law no get problem with you. But if you no succeed, law go come for you. Section 327 of the Criminal Code Act talk say anybody wey try to kpai himself, you try to send yourself go overboard, or you try on your own, you wan send yourself go meet your ancestors, say na offense be that. And the offense, if court jail you, na 1 year imprisonment you go get. Na so law talk am. So you wey dey go stand for third mainland bridge, you go stand for one high mountain sake of say you wan kpai yourself. If dem catch you, court jail you, na offense. Me I know say the way the things dey for this world, something fit make you wan reason to kpai yourself. But my brother, my sister, oyibo say nothing is worth dying for. No allow any condition for this life to make you think say you wan kpai yourself. No think am. If you dey pass through one or two challenges, you calm down. When you calm down, find somebody to talk to. If you wan talk to me, I'm just a DM away. If you wan talk to me, you come talk to me. We discuss wetin you dey pass through. Nothing dey big enough for you say you wan kpai yourself. No think am, no reason am. Na offense. Na who give up for this life, na him lose. No give up. Thank you.